What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Final Boss Garage. Today's episode, we're going to replace our Vato Zone Gabriel struts, our chopped springs, and we're going to put on Viking double adjustable rear shocks. We got an upgraded rear end. We got some V6 springs and some new end links, and should get rid of all the rubbing issues. We're about to dyno. As the way it sits right now, the car is eating up all the drag slicks, so this should fix our issue. On the top of the shock in the back, you have a flat spot towards the top. You would grab that with a pair of pliers and then, or a wrench, and then you wrench on the bottom one to loosen it. The top one keeps it still, but if you have an impact, sometimes you can hit it and it'll stay in place.
Not this time.
Not that time. Lost my camera. Well, I wasn't expecting that.
Whoa. Oh, we got a problem.
It doesn't fit in?
No. We need to use the other one that came with the other shocks. This. We're gonna have to use this.
No, try to finagle it. If for sure it doesn't come in.
There's no way. Yeah.
Alright, well, we just ran into our first problem. The nut is too big to go into the hole, but that's easily fixable with some power tools. Oh, like butter. Perfect. The passenger side, it's all unbolted. We're just gonna do the same thing. Boom. So these are our three options. We have my HD springs that are cut with the heater hose mod. We have the HD spring with the spring isolator, and then the V6 spring, which we're probably going to run with the heater hose mod because with the isolator it's way too tall. But this kind of gives you an idea. The V6 springs compress a little more, so I think we're going to go that route with the heater hose, and I think it should give us a nice height.
Well, this rear end's gonna have to drop a lot more.
No, dude, just bench press it.
Okay.
If you want, I can do it. You're so close. Just don't pinch your pin. Boom.
Then we gotta twist this, right? Alright. There.
Alright.
Oh! Bench press it in.
Alright guys, I'm gonna drop down the factory sway bar. Alright. So this is the stock sway bar next to the one we're adding right now. It is quite a difference. I think it's about 4 or 5 millimeters thicker. This one came off of a stock IROC Z28. With this car being a 87 LT, it had the wimpy suspension, so definitely going to feel that upgrade with a bigger sway bar. Okay, so I have some of this Prothane grease. It came with some motor mounts I bought back in the day, but I'm just going to apply a good amount of this to the inside and to the inside of the bushing as well, and slide them on. Yeah. Alright, I hope that front wheel's chock good. Oh, it's in park.
Yeah. Is it?
Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna have to hold it from up top.
Pointy bushing. Washer.
I really was trying to cheat the system. There you go.
All right, guys, everything's all installed. I got the sway bar. We tightened it down with the wheels loaded. They're on ramps. You always want to have your suspension loaded. That way it's tight in the right way. Otherwise, if you do it with the wheels hanging, it kind of throws everything off. We got the Viking double adjustable shocks on there. They went on really nice. We just got to set the settings for drag racing. Last time I used them, it was on autocross. But everything's looking good. Really digging all the red under there. Pretty stoked. All right, the suspension's installed. That's the last we have to worry about the rear end for a while. These Viking double adjustable shocks, they feel great. Just drove it around the block for the first time. Under acceleration, there's no rubbing or anything. I didn't really do any launches or get crazy with it, but it feels way better than it did before. A lot of people have been asking why I chose for V6 springs. Answer is just they're a little softer. The weight transfer is going to be a little better on launching. It's a pretty popular decision for, you know, cars right around the 11-second range, and that's probably where this thing's gonna sit for a while until we spray it. But it looks great. Everything's on there real nice, as you can see. You got real nice fitment on there. Rake is a lot more aggressive than it used to be, but it sits nice, so I'm really happy about that. I don't have to worry about eating up the tires like I did before. All of this is eaten up pretty bad. Not so much on the driver's side, but the passenger side. If you can look like down here, you literally have chunks of the tire peeling off because it was rubbing so hard. So we got about an extra finger and a half there. So job's done for now. Want to thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you're in a third gens in America. Stay tuned next time. We should be dropping a new video probably twice a week, so stay tuned.